Hi.
Look her. I'm already bored of it.
Z-Rob. What? You're bored? We'll zoom in. Zoom out.
Fly. Fly. No.
Here, we'll just document in case we get, like, raped by a pack of wolves or something.
Yeah, make sure you upload this to MySpace so they can find us.
Well, if I'm raped by a pack of wolves, they probably wouldn't come home.
Oh. Well, maybe they'll take our camera to the Kodak store and get it developed.
Maybe. Of our feet walking. They'll probably. Whoa! Just kidding. You can do it.
Okay.
You might not fall as much as I will.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, I'm
What's going on?
sure.
Earthquake. Is this stick?
Oh,
Tree?
it's still going.
Okay, we're done.